I knew AI before most people, yet I did nothing. AI is evolving at an unstoppable pace. ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, Claude, Perplexity. New tools are emerging every day. Hello, welcome to Venn Coding. As a developer, I've always kept an eye on cutting-edge technologies, trends, and exciting new tools. I probably learned about AI earlier than most people around me. But looking back, here's the irony. All the knowledge, projects, and tools I've discovered over the years, they're just sitting quietly in my bookmarks. My browser bookmarks, my GitHub stars, my YouTube watch list. They're all there, untouched. And what do I always tell myself? I don't have time. Work is too busy. This information is outdated now. But the truth is, there's no way to turn back time. There's no undo button for all the opportunities I've let slip away. I started using ChatGPT in 2022, way before most people around me even knew what it was. Back then, no one was talking about it. No one was experimenting with it. I had a head start. But what did I do? Nothing special. I simply used it, occasionally letting it assist me with coding tasks. Then ChatGPT Plus launched, and I was blown away by its power, its ability to generate, summarize, and even write code. By then, tools like Bolt New and Cursor didn't exist, and Claude wasn't as advanced as it is today. And now, looking back, I ask myself, what if I had thought bigger? What if, instead of just using ChatGPT, I had focused on training AI models, fine-tuning embeddings, and building AI-powered products? Would I be the person who created Bolt New or Cursor? Of course, this is just a joke. You can't make money beyond what your knowledge allows. And back then, I simply didn't have the mindset, vision, or courage to take action. The indie developer revolution has begun. For the longest time, I saw myself as just a small software engineer, a tiny gear in a massive corporate machine. Like many others, I thought AI was something distant, something that had nothing to do with me. But then I started seeing things change. The rise of indie developers, a single person empowered by AI, building products that once required a full team. People using AI to develop games, create SaaS products, and automate workflows. Even non-coders, like product managers, are now building small but powerful applications using AI. Why? Because they understand design, user needs, and problem solving. AI has become their ultimate tool for execution. And that's when it hit me. I can't sit on the sidelines anymore. This video changed everything for me. One of the biggest shifts in my mindset came after watching this talk from the founder of Y Combinator. He explained something that hit me hard. Many young people today fail or stagnate because they consume too much content and think too much about the outcome instead of taking action.
Milton plus Michael. Today, we're going to be talking about tips for founders in their 20s. I think to kick this off, we're seeing so many more young founders.
Will investors like my idea? Will this product make money? Is this market already too crowded? This kind of overthinking leads to self-doubt. You start questioning everything, and in the end, you abandon your idea before even giving it a shot. That was me. But this time, I'm doing things differently. I'm not chasing some grand startup idea. I'm starting with what's right in front of me, problems from my own life. The first step, a simple domain generator. One of my biggest time wasters every year is coming up with and checking domain names. I brainstorm ideas, check if they're taken, compare prices, and this cycle repeats at least 20 times a year. So I decided to build a tool that automates this process. Is it a groundbreaking idea? No. Are there similar websites? Yes. But that doesn't matter. What matters is that I finally took the first step. Because the real enemy isn't competition, it's inaction. AI is a superpower, use it. A few years ago, I would have worried, I need to learn front-end before building a website. I should find a designer to help with UI, UX. I don't know how to structure a full-stack project. But today, I can just describe my idea to AI. I let AI generate the first version for me. Then I tweak, refine, and learn along the way. AI has eliminated so many barriers. Now developers like us hold the ultimate tool to build faster and smarter. If you're like me, take action today. If you've been watching, reading, and thinking, but never taking action, this is your sign to start. Even if it's something small, even if it's been done before, just build it. Because only by moving forward will you discover a different version of yourself. Let's go, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.